Canadian Senator Salman Ataloajan has thrown a support behind Senator Natasha Akpoti amid sexual harassment allegations. Recall that the Nigerian Senate has suspended Senator Natasha Akpoti for 6 months following allegations of sexual harassment against Senate President Godswill Akpabio. The decision was reached on Thursday after a report from the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions cited multiple violations of Senate rules. Amidst the sexual harassment allegations against Godswill Akpabio, the Canadian Senator Ataloajan publicly supported Akpoti while encouraging her. Stay strong, Natasha. At Natasha Akpoti, your bravery for speaking out against sexual harassment is a powerful reminder that we must all continue to fight for a safer, more respectful world for everyone. #Justice for Natasha, the Canadian lawmaker wrote. While the story has generated mixed reactions from Nigerians, we'll continue to monitor the story for more new development. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.